Okay, hi, I'm Kat Lewis and I'm here on Hollybush estate in North Cardiff, Corriton, and we've had a Keep Grass Tidy Local Places for Nature grant. We've had two actually. We had the first sort of starter pack, which was to have a little fruit garden and herb garden, which we started over the other side over there. And then because that went so well and we have so much space here that was just crying out to be put to a better use, that helped the residents more and gave us a sense of place on this estate. So we then had the bigger pack, which has just transformed the space. So now it's what was just mown dull green grass. We've got bees and butterflies and wildflowers and vegetables growing and fruit trees, and amazing residents coming out and meeting together and helping and having a good time out here. And we've just had our first harvest, so we've started to give food out to people on the estate as well, which is amazing. So thank you, Keep Grass Tidy.
I'm a volunteer here with one of the gardeners doing the garden project. I found this garden fantastic to do because I said it's benefited my health through anxieties and stress, and I look forward to now and again having a pick of the flowers here, and it's nice to be able to content with it and water it and make sure the plants are good.
Hi, I'm one of the fellow gardeners. This project has given a lot of pleasure to a lot of people. You know, it's winning hearts and minds. Also, it makes the estate look like it's cared for. I think, yeah.
Yeah.